Want to make money online as a beginner? Affiliate marketing is a great way to start. In this video, we'll take you by the hand and show you how to get started with affiliate marketing, even if you have zero experience. You'll learn the basics of affiliate marketing, how to choose profitable niches, and how to create a content that converts. We'll also cover the best affiliate programs for beginners and how to promote products effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make money online with affiliate marketing and be ready to start your online income journey. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start making money online today. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways for beginners to start earning online. It's a strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. To get started, choose a niche you're interested in, such as fitness, tech, or beauty, as this will help you connect with a target audience more effectively. Research affiliate programs related to your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale offer diverse products and easy sign-ups, making them beginner-friendly. Once you've joined a program, focus on creating valuable content that subtly promotes your affiliate links. This content can be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Traffic is key to earning commissions, so work on building an audience. Leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to reach people interested in your niche. You don't need a huge following to succeed. Engaging and helpful content often leads to loyal followers and better conversion rates. As you gain experience, consider expanding your reach by learning SEO for blogs, email marketing techniques, or even investing in paid ads for faster results. For aspiring online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketing can be a powerful way to earn money from home, but it's true, it can feel overwhelming without a clear plan. With the right guidance, though, affiliate marketing becomes manageable and rewarding. Patience and persistence are key. Affiliate marketing success rarely happens overnight, so keep testing and adjusting your approach as you learn. Each step builds your knowledge and positions you for sustainable growth, helping you turn this side hustle into a reliable income stream from home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and check out my next video on advanced affiliate marketing strategies. The breakthrough moment in affiliate marketing happens when you realize that, with the right strategies, you can unlock a steady stream of passive income through affiliate commissions. This isn't just about promoting links, it's about setting up a system that works for you around the clock. By focusing on valuable, evergreen content that answers your audience's questions or solves their problems, you create assets that continue driving traffic and sales long after they're published. Imagine writing a blog post or recording a video today that still brings in commissions months or even years later. This is the true power of passive income in affiliate marketing. To reach this point, optimize your content for discoverability by using SEO, targeting relevant keywords, and structuring your content for easy reading or viewing. Build trust with your audience by consistently offering genuine recommendations and honest insights. With time, as your content gains traction and your audience grows, your affiliate commissions will reflect the work you put into crafting helpful, engaging resources. Once you see those first few commissions roll in, you'll realize that this model isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Each piece of content you create becomes an income-generating asset, moving you closer to the goal of true financial freedom through passive income. Affiliate marketing offers a powerful path to earning money online, especially when you tap into your passion and knowledge. By choosing a niche you genuinely care about, you can create content that resonates with your audience and builds trust. This authenticity not only makes the process more enjoyable but also enhances your credibility, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Creating valuable, evergreen content, whether through blogs, videos, or social media, allows you to earn passively as your work continues to generate clicks and commissions over time. By focusing on quality, providing honest recommendations, and learning key strategies like SEO and audience engagement, affiliate marketing can become a sustainable source of income and a rewarding online venture. The Black Friday and New Year season offer huge opportunities to boost affiliate earnings, as shoppers are actively looking for deals and ways to improve their lives in the new year. Here's how to make the most of this time to kickstart or level up your affiliate marketing efforts. Promote high-demand products and service, research trending products or services that will be heavily discounted, such as tech gadgets, online courses, software, and subscription services. Many people are looking for practical investments, especially those that save time or improve productivity. Focus on affiliate programs offering special Black Friday or New Year deals, as these promotions often have limited time, higher than usual commissions. Create targeted content for the season. Produce content that highlights the best Black Friday or New Year deals in your niche. For instance, create a top 10 deals list, review discounted products, or share guides on finding the best deals. Emphasize the limited time nature of these deals to encourage quick action. Incorporate call to action prompts like, "Only available this week," to drive urgency. Use email marketing to reach your audience directly. If you have an email list, send a series of targeted emails in the days leading up to Black Friday and New Year. Highlight exclusive deals, offer advice on maximizing savings, and remind subscribers of sale deadlines. For even better results, segment your list by interest or previous engagement to tailor content specifically to what your audience wants. Leverage social media and paid ads. Share deal-focused content across your social media platforms, like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, where you can reach an active audience seeking quick information on offers. Consider running short-term paid ads that link to your affiliate content, specifically highlighting Black Friday and New Year's deals. Focus on New Year's resolution products. Many people start the new year with goals to improve health, finances, and productivity. Promote affiliate products related to these areas, like fitness equipment, online business courses, or budgeting software. Collaborate with brands for exclusive deals. Reach out to brands in your affiliate programs and inquire if they offer unique deals or codes for Black Friday or the New Year. Exclusive codes can make your content more attractive and help build your authority in your niche. Create countdown content for urgency. Use countdowns to emphasize the urgency of seasonal deals. Countdown graphics on social media, daily deal highlights, or last chance emails on the final sale days can help increase conversions. Follow up with post-holiday content. The holiday season also creates opportunities after the main sales. People often have gift cards or year-end bonuses to spend, so follow up with content like best deals to spend your gift cards on, or top products for New Year resolutions. By strategically preparing and focusing on these tactics, you can tap into the shopping frenzy of Black Friday and New Year's, driving significant affiliate revenue during this high-traffic season. This channel was created to educate and support you on your journey to success. Here, you'll find valuable information, insights, and resources to help you reach your goals. Check out the details below and get started on leveling up today. Our mission is simple. We believe that anyone can educate themselves and start their business online. With the right knowledge and tools, you can take control of your future and create a successful online business. We're here to help you every step of the way. If you're ready to start, build, and run your business successfully, don't miss out on these Black Friday deals. Click the link in the description to get started and take advantage of these limited time offers. If you're looking for the best products to gift your loved ones this new year, join SWE Official on TikTok. Discover amazing deals, top picks, and exclusive offers to make this season extra special. Don't miss out, follow us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and check out my next video where I dive into advanced affiliate marketing strategies to take your earnings to the next level.